In this example, we're asked to find the 5-number summary for the data set. So I'm going to start by making sure my data is in order from least to greatest, which in this case it is. Starts with 10 and just grows all the way to 30. That makes it really easy to find our minimum and our maximum. Our minimum is the smallest number in our data set, which would be the first number if they're in order from least to greatest, which would be 10. The maximum would be, if they're in order from least to greatest, the largest number in the data set, which would be the last number, so 30. So those two are pretty easy. Next, we're going to go find our median. Now, if you think of median, that sounds like medium, maybe in the middle. It is the number directly in the middle. So I'm going to start, and I'm just going to mark one off from each side and keep moving in until I have found the middle. So I've got 3 on each side. Now I've got 4 from each side. So the middle is actually going to be between those two numbers. Now, because in this case they are the exact same number, it would be 20. Now, because this 20 is not actually one of these points on the data set, even though it technically is, we're going to go ahead and use 20 in each of our halves of data here. This way we can find our lower and upper quartiles. So here I have 10, 12, 14, 20. There's 4 numbers there. So if I move in from each side, again, you'll see that it's not a number that's going to be my quartile. So I need the number that's directly between 12 and 14, which should be 13. It's directly in the middle. Same thing when I move to this side. If I move in from each corner one at a time, it's again not a number in the middle. Well, not a number in my data set, but the number directly between 22 and 24 would be 23. So 13 is my lower quartile and 23 is my upper quartile. And now you have your 5-number summary.